Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the April 2022 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit is the smaller of our monthly kits and includes two brand new collections. You receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You also have access to two recipe cards. These are double page layouts designed by our design team, and they give you a full color photograph of their layout and then the cutting and assembly instructions so you can create right along with them. Also, starting last month, we are giving all of our subscribers access to a free cut file. So this is this month's. It's a double frame. These are provided by Cut to You, so give them a shout out. You want to go follow them on their Instagram and Facebook. This one is a double frame with a rose down here. So if you have digital software where you can cut these and alter them, you could cut off the one frame, or you could simply use scissors and cut it off as well. Make it a single frame with a rose. You can make them small, you can make them big, you could just use the flower, lots of different ways. So I can't wait for you to see what the design team has done with their cut files. They really have some great inspiration for you. So be sure to grab your free cut file with your subscription. So this month, the two kits are Echo Park Play All Day. This is the girl collection. Of course, there's lots of blue in here, so you could squeeze out some boy layouts as well. And we also have Pink Fresh Life Right Now. So this is just an everyday kind of collection that you could use just documenting moments. Both of them are beautiful spring colors and lots of florals and just waiting for you to dig in and document your memories. So let's dig in and we're going to take a closer look at each one of these. So the first collection we're going to look at is Play All Day from Echo Park Paper. And I am so excited about this kit. My little girl is grown and actually getting married here soon this summer. And so I'm anxious to go back and document some of the older photos, but this is also perfect. There's a lot on here I can document today as well. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Velvet Night cardstock and 1 sheet of Atlantic Shore. Your pattern paper is this gorgeous floral with all of the colors in this collection. The back is that blue gingham. This is called Best Friend Floral. Then we have this one that has all of the different icons of just different summer activities, blowing bubbles, crayons, bikes, butterflies, the sunshine, the clouds, super cute. And the back is a rainbow on the navy. This paper is called Playdate. Then we have a small floral print, super cute. The back is a light pink heart on the brighter pink background. This paper is called Mixed Floral. So here is your pattern paper. For your embellishments, it's the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So no secret, I love these. We have a very small scalloped of that pink heart pattern, and then a border of the florals in a little bit smaller print. Have the banner. This one, normally you have lots of, like the bigger words for titles. This time they're a little bit smaller, but you could still use those as a title and lead into your journaling. That's a perfect way to use these. We have the little dogs that are super cute. A ballerina, the little car. Remember my little girl riding in hers. Hopscotch. Bicycles, bubbles, all of the summer fun activities. So that is Play All Day from Echo Park. Your second collection is Life Right Now from Pink Fresh. This is perfect for all kinds of just everyday moments. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, a sheet of Tutu Pink. This paper here that's called Spark Joy, that has the gorgeous florals that you're going to see in the embellishments. The back is this geometric design in gray with the arrows. This paper called Favorite Hits, which is just, it's like the shape of a Polaroid, but like your iPhone screen. that has your playlist on it. So I think that is really innovative. That's cute, with just pictures of life. It's fine. I'm fine. Everything is fine. Take it easy. It's okay to go at your own pace. We have books, just so many cute icons. The back is a rainbow striped along with the white and gray mixed in. So that's a lot of fun. This one's called Time to Chill, and it's all the teacups and teapots with the tea bags. I love my cup of hot tea. The back is the blue with a polka dot. This kind of leans to that periwinkle dark blue. It has just a hint of purple to it. Some beautiful colors in this collection. For your embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety of embellishments. So you're going to get some stickers. You're going to get some chipboard flair and some of the floral die cuts, as well as a row of enamel dots. So all of these will vary among the kits, but this is a good sample of what you'll receive. So that is Life Right Now from Pink Fresh. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store. If you want more collections, then check out the flavors of the month, and then those have add-ons for more cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments, and our Shots of Life coordinates with it. That's our pocket page scrapbooking. We have a card kit and lots of individual items in the store. So check them all out. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create with your kit.